Hello there and welcome back to Greenberry's Garden. Today I want to show you the Rose of Jericho, number 100. And here is one of them. I ordered multiple and this is a rather small one. I want to put this not only in water as you normally do, but into the normal cocoa soil I'm using. What's really interesting to see is if this is dead already. So if it's dead, then it will open, but it will stay brown. If it's still alive, then it will turn green and open. So I'm pretty sure that this one is dead already, just because I tried this with another one and it seemed dead. But we will see. So for this one I'm using a small glass, and let me just fill in some soil. Okay, there we've got some soil. And this is just some silica gel I added. You know, I always add it to all of the seeds when storing them to prevent them from getting moist, from being destroyed by the humidity. Okay. This looks like an onion somewhat, I think. Don't you think? Or garlic. Onion or garlic. Okay. Now I can't get too close to... Okay. And what you can do is you can use warm water. Then it will work even faster, but it's not really good for the Rose of Jericho. And if you investigate the Rose of Jericho, then you will find out that there are at least two different types of the Rose of Jericho, and the one that's normally sold is this one, the I don't know how it's called. It's not the genuine one, because this one is somewhat easier to grow, I think, and it looks way better than the original Rose of Jericho. So I'm going to fill this up as much as possible. Let me zoom in a bit. And now the only thing we can do is wait. And this one particularly seems to be dead. So I put this in a jar with a lot of soil, the cocoa soil I'm using, and I let it sit here for 2 days, but still nothing that's at least a bit green. So this plant seems to be dead, and I don't need dead Roses of Jericho. So let me take this here so I can take it out. And just to show you, there is not the smallest bit of any green leaves, nothing. So it's been dead before. So I can throw this away. So this really only works now by opening the capillaries. So if you add water now, it opens and then it closes, but it's essentially dead. So you can do that as often as you want, but it's not a living flower anymore. But you can only find that out if you actually add some water to it. You cannot see it from the outside, unfortunately. So this is now garbage. Fortunately, I have more of them. And I always add them to the Ziploc bags. Here is another one. So, which is really fully closed. This looks really interesting, I think. Might be alive. Here's another one. So I'm not using the soil right now, but I have hot water here. So this one has 55 degrees Celsius. So you can also use boiling water if you want. But I read that if you use really hot water, you shorten the lifetime of these plants. But then again, if they are already dead, it doesn't make any difference. So let's hope that these are not dead. So let me put those closer together so that you can see it a bit better. But unfortunately all three were dead, so they didn't turn green. So I still have, I think, 2 left, so I will test them as well if they're also dead. But my recommendation is do not buy the Rose of Jericho from AliExpress, eBay or any such seller which is located in China, because they might not turn out well. So if they do not turn green, they are dead. If they turn out green, then you can really let them dry up again for I don't know, a few months probably, and then you can water them again for up to 2 weeks and they will turn green, and then they have to dry up again. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like it, please subscribe for more of this, and see you again next time. Bye.